Hello everyone, my name is Travis and let's get Wanderlost. On our most recent trip to the Disneyland Resort, we stayed at the Springhill Suites at the Anaheim Convention Center. This hotel is a Disneyland Good Neighbor hotel and we booked it through the Disneyland website. Our vacation package included 6 nights at the hotel with 5-day single park tickets with the Genie Plus option. We spent roughly $2,500 on this vacation package and it was just for the 2 of us. This hotel is about 10 minutes walking distance away from the entrance to the Disneyland Resort. There is a CVS store attached to this hotel, so if you're in need of supplies or snacks, you can easily get them. Breakfast is included and it features cereal and oatmeal, bacon, sausage, and the always favorite Mickey waffle. There is a pool, laundry room, and gym on floor 5. The laundry room charges $2.50 per wash load and dry load. Our room was very nice. It included a living room area with a couch and a separate bedroom area with 2 queen beds. There are a lot of options for Disneyland Good Neighbor hotels. We've stayed at a few of them like the Grand Legacy, the Red Lion, and the Suncoast. We ultimately selected the Springhill Suites based on our previous experiences at Springhill Suites around the country. Was picking this hotel a good decision? Let's go over the good and the bad of Springhill Suites at the Anaheim Convention Center. We'll start off with the good. This hotel room had lots of space, which made it easy to bring in extra suitcases and luggage and all that stuff without having to worry about where to put it. The room had lots of amenities like the refrigerator, coffee maker, microwave, and other things that you would need on a longer trip. The hotel is close to the Disneyland Resort, so it is within walking distance if you forgot something or just want to go back to the hotel to relax. The laundry room came in handy when we wanted to do a load of laundry and it wasn't too expensive. The free breakfast in the morning saved us from having to spend money at the parks or on our way to the parks. Customer service at the hotel was excellent. It didn't matter if it was the front desk, the housekeeping staff, or anybody else. I love hot showers and the water was plenty hot. It's always nice to have a pool on property, especially if you go midday when everybody else is at the park. Now for the bad or the just not so good. As comfortable as this hotel was, it wasn't as comfortable as the other Springhill Suites that we have visited that have the West Elm furniture. There was only one piece of furniture that acted like a closet, so if you wanted to hide your suitcase, it wasn't really possible. You can tell this hotel gets a lot of business, as there's obvious signs of wear and tear. There were damaged corners throughout the room, water damage to the lampshade, the leather on the couch was wearing thin, and there was other things here and there. They only do housekeeping in the rooms once every 2 days. As great as it was to have free breakfast, it felt like they didn't replenish some of the items as quickly as they needed to. The water was hot, but the water pressure was not very good. The pool was small for a hotel this size and filled up quickly. Overall, the Springhill Suites at the Anaheim Convention Center is a really nice hotel with a lot of positives. I do not think you'd be disappointed if you stayed here. So the ultimate question with this video is, would we stay here again? And our answer is yes. With that yes, there is a but. We would probably want to try some of the other Disneyland Good Neighbor hotels in the area just to see what else is out there. This hotel is in no way a bad hotel. We're just pretty sure that there are other hotels in the area that might be a little bit better, including the Suncoast, which we've stayed at before. You can also follow us on Instagram or Twitter. Our accounts are in our profile. Thank you again for watching our video, and if you liked it, please make sure you like and subscribe.